Hi, my name is Gregory Fogel. By internet, I known as National Cosmopolitan. For about 1 year and 8 months, I live to eat only in the 7th days lifestyle. It means that I eat only in the 7th days, and for about 6 days of a week I don't eat. Because I am Jew, for me the 7th day is Saturday, Shabbat. That's why I begin my eating in the beginning of Saturday, and I finish my eating in the end of every Saturday. I eat usually the ordinary Jewish food, the ordinary Jewish meals, but there is one nuance in this situation. I don't eat salt, I don't eat sugar, I don't eat spices, and I don't eat sauces. After all, I don't drink coffee and tea. I drink only the raw, clean water. There was about 3 stages that were preliminary to this lifestyle, and every stage took from me 2 months. When I begin my project, my weight was 120 kilograms, and my height is 1 meter 83 centimeters. I began my project in the 1st of April 2014. Okay, in about 4 months ago, I have invited a new method of cleaning all gastrointestinal tract. What is the method? If the man don't eat some days, he can drink every morning 2.5 liters of water or 3 liters of water, but not to drink all other day. And after that, he will get for about an hour defecation, and this defecation will be his toxins from all his from all his body. And these toxins is the color of toxins is black coffee, and they are downing in the water of water closet. It can replace the enema result that can clean only our rectum. Only our rectum. That's why my method works much more effectively than ordinary enema. And the ordinary enema the people use when they have the medical long days starvations, they have to use every day the ordinary enema for getting from body toxins. Without this, it is impossible long day starvations. What means long day starvations, medical starvations? It means 14 days of starvations, 21 days of starvations, 30 days of starvations, and 40 days of starvations. For because I adapted this method because 6 days I am without eating. I adopted this method for about 2 months in my to eat only in the 7th day lifestyle, and it worked very well. After that, I decided to check up how many days I can live without eating. And from the first step, I achieved 34 days of medical starvations without eating. I began my project, this step of my project, in the 4th of June, and I finished this step of my project in the 8th of July 2016. 34 days of medical starvations from the first attempt, 5 weeks without 1 day. My maximal goal was 42 days, 6 weeks of medical starvations, but I didn't achieve it from the first attempt. Why? Because I had for about last 7-8 days dehydration of my body. Now I solved this problem and I know how to be without dehydration. That's why I am very sure, and I hope that my second attempt will be, in my second attempt, I will achieve my goal to eat only in the medical starvation for about 6 weeks. It means that I will go from the situation of to eat only in the 7th day to the situation to eat only in the 7th weeks. It is a very big jump, I think. And all this really work. Now I want to explain you the frame of all my project, all stages of this project. First step was in the 1st of April 2014. About 2 months I ate only once a day, as much as I wanted. 2 other months I ate only in the second days, in every second days, as much as I wanted and as much times as I wanted. Another 2 months I ate only in every 4th day, as much as I wanted and as much time as I wanted. And my 4th step was my goal point, to eat only in the 7th day lifestyle. And in this situation I was 1 year and 8 months. And after that I tried to achieve, to replace this my step on to eat only in every 7th week's lifestyle. And I achieved 5 weeks of medical starvations without 1 day from the first attempt. I think that it is a very successful result. It is all what I wanted to explain to you. If you want more deeply to know about this project, you have to make in Google to eat only in the 7th day lifestyle. The diet of, you have to make in Google the diet of New Saturday, and you will get online forum and my topic in this forum, where I very deeply explains every day of this my project for about many years. You understand me? Thank you very much for your attention and all the best to you.